Hello kids! So today in this video we are going to learn alphabets from A to F along with the objects starting with these letters. So let's get started. So first I'll choose red color and write the letter A. This is capital letter A. A. A for apple. A for apple. Let's color it. Okay, A for apple. A for ant. Ant. A for apple and A for ant. Next I'll choose blue color. This is blue color and write the letter B. This is capital letter B. B. B for ball. B for ball. Okay, B for ball and B for bird. Okay, B for ball and B for bird. Next I'll choose green color. This is green color and write the letter C. This is capital letter C. C for car. C for car. Okay, C for car and C for caterpillar. This is caterpillar. Okay, this is C. C for car. C for caterpillar. Next I'll choose yellow color and write the letter D. This is capital letter D. Okay, D for dog. D for dog. Okay, D for dog. D for duck. Duck. D for dog and D for duck. Next I'll take purple color and write the letter E. This is capital letter E. E for eggplant. E for eggplant. Okay, E for elephant. Okay, E for eggplant and E for elephant. And finally I'll take dark green color and write the letter F. This is capital letter F. F for fish. F for fish. Okay, F for fish and F for frog. Okay, F for fish and F for frog. So that's it for today kids. I hope you like this video and if you do, hit a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. So see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.